Stop, stop, stop. Stop the development of AI. Give us a moment, 6 months, to catch our breath. Now that is what 1100 notable signatories, including Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak, are asking AI labs for in an open letter that was released today. And I think they're right. We don't want AI to develop itself freely with access to armored drones and starting a war after a prompt, because that would require the future generation to go back in time and send a Rambo, because Rambo, my friends, has some wisdom when it comes down to wars.
Survive a war, you gotta become war.
We're not at war with AI, but we need to become something more than just observers to survive. We actually have a great responsibility when it comes down to shaping the next decades with AI. Welcome to Videostate. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. The development of AI is going so fast it's very difficult to keep up. So to help you out as a video creator, I made an overview of the 10 most important AI apps that you need to know today. 1. Video transcription. Now AI can automatically transcript the audio of a video, creating a text-based transcript that can be used for subtitles or other purposes. One of the most famous apps here is Descript. You upload the video and let it generate the exact text that's being said in the video. 2. Video search. AI can analyze the content of a video and create a searchable index of that video. This can be useful for finding specific moments in a longer video. An example here is Explore AI, where you type in the content you need and it shows you a video that matches your prompt. 3. Video summarization. AI can create a condensed summary of a video highlighting important moments, especially when you're creating YouTube descriptions. Use summarized tech for this. You paste the link of the video content you want a description for, and moments later you got your text. 4. Video captioning. AI can generate captions for your video, making them more accessible for people with hearing problems or people that are on social media while at work. Use Taption for this. You upload a video, select the language output and output format, for instance SRT for YouTube, and start generating your captions in seconds. 5. Video editing. AI can help you in the process of video editing, from cutting and trimming to more complex tasks such as special effects and color grading. Color Lab AI is an AI-powered tool that claims to provide Hollywood-level quality to its clients. 6. Video animation. AI can generate animations from static images or can create animations on top of basic video footage. A promising app here is Absinthe. Using Absinthe, users can quickly and easily transfer their painted artwork to any video footage, where the tool automatically transforms the video into a painted frame. 7. Video generation. AI can create entirely new video content, either from scratch or remixing existing content. Movio is an AI video generator that enables you to create professional quality videos quickly and with minimal effort. 8. Video enhancement. Now AI can help you improve the quality of existing video footage, such as removing noise and improving the quality of your colors and sharpness. Topaz Video AI is a powerful software designed to enhance the quality of videos. It can be used to convert DVDs to Blu-ray quality for viewing on large screen 4K TVs, removing noise and sharpen videos. 9. Video analytics. Now AI can analyze video content to provide you with insights on viewer behavior and other key metrics. SolidPoint is a powerful AI tool designed to help users quickly understand large amounts of content. It uses natural language processing and machine learning to analyze text and identify ideas from a given document. And 10. Video personalization. AI can use data about individual viewers to personalize video content. And Tavis is an AI-powered platform that allows users to automatically personalize videos from themselves with unique voice variables, enabling them to drive repeat conversions and create one-on-one connections with thousands of people. Now with these apps, you improve your workflow and expand your creative abilities. It's important to keep informed and open-minded about AI, while at the same time keep the human creativity at the forefront. Otherwise, Rambo will come for us. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.